Welcome back. This is Shirley Davison. I'm back to do another video. I want to welcome back all my subscribers and welcome to my new viewers. Thank you for taking your time to stop by our channel. If you're new, please click the subscribe button and click the notification to get my frequent updates. Well, it was another down day in this portfolio on Robinhood. I was down over 1.87%, almost 2%. It was a really rough day. As you can see, even at 6:00 a.m., the market kept falling, the stock kept falling, and then it held for a little while. But I'll just first to say it's just been a long day overall. Came in 6 a.m. It was okay, and then it started falling. So pretty much stocks down. There was a few bright spots. RBLX or Roblox was up 2.79%. Ford ticker F was up 1.13%, and my Tesla stock was up as well today. TSLA Tesla was up 0.62%. So those are my stocks in the Robinhood. Let's just see if there's any news here. Xenon Pharmaceuticals is up 100%. It's probably a pretty new company, but Xenon Pharmaceuticals was up 106%. GM Ford settled suit over Blue Cruiser name for hands-free driving. That was some good news. Overall, tech took a beating today. As you can see, many stocks were down. ChargePoint was down. Affirm was a down. Doxicity, ticker symbol DOCS, was down. So pretty long day in tech. Tesla was up on great information about how many new orders and how many cars were being produced this quarter. So all that information is coming out as they get closer to earnings report later October. So that's the good news. Tesla being up slightly, 0.62%. And a lot of great news on how many cars were produced for the quarter. Let's see here. Just to check out the other EV makers, GM was up 1.60% today. This was an up day because, as you can see, last week the stock was still trading around 53, and today it peaked at $55 per share. So GM is trying to make a push, but they are still cutting back on production due to the chip shortage. So GM has made a huge investment in EVs, but they still cannot break out with the production of vehicles not be able to take place. But GM is another EV car maker. So if you're interested in the EV space investing, GM is a stock that you could invest in as well. Also, Ford was up slightly again today. If you look, last week they were trading at roughly, well, still $14, but as today, I think they peaked around, okay, $14.70. So, yeah, Ford looked like earlier it was going to break out, but pretty much it was up just 1.34% on the day. Again, Ford is also moving into the EV space. They have the Mach-E and the electric F-150 coming out. So the Mach-Es are already out. People are still getting new Mach-Es each day as we speak. And then the Ford F-150 electric version will be out sometime next April. So there's a lot of pending orders for the Ford F-150 truck. And we'll see how everyone enjoys those as soon as they're out. Big news on the day, Facebook was down. I know everybody tried to go to Facebook. So let's take a quick look at the stock. Facebook stock was down on the day. It was down over 4.89%. Basically, there was a 60 Minutes discussion last night. A former employee talked about some problems inside of Facebook. Not only is the stock trading down, that bad news, the app itself is down. And so there's hundreds and, well, if not thousands of dollars a day made on Facebook due to advertising. So I'm sure those ads weren't running today. So both Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp have been down for over 4 hours today. literally, I was surprised. I went to go to Facebook to post in my stock group, and I couldn't post, and I thought it might be my internet, but it was actually Facebook was down. So tough day for Facebook. The stock was down over 4.89%. So that didn't help tech at all either today. So if you wanted to talk about FANG, Facebook, Amazon, Netflix, and Google, it was a long day today. All right, so let's take a look at my other account. Let's just see what was going on. I actually use Thinkorswim sometimes as well, but this is some other stuff I've been doing. Let's take a look. My top stock of the day was GBTC, or Grayscale Bitcoin Fund, was up 5.22%. As we know, Bitcoin rallied today. BTG, or B2Gold Corporation shares were up 3.29%. There's a lot of uncertainty. There was a big tech sell-off. Also, people have been moving to banks and oil stocks today. So if you're looking at where's the money going, if they're moving out of tech, some of them are moving into oils and banks. Ticker symbol APTV was up 3.21%. Ticker symbol RBLX, or Roblox, was up 2.92%. Reed Incorporated, they were up 2.26%. Again, we're talking about oil stocks. COP, ConocoPhillips, was up 1.98% on the day. OMI, Owens and Miners, was up 1.90%. And BJ's Wholesale, again, this is like your Sam's, very similar. BJ's Wholesale, they're located in the Northeast, and they actually have a few places on the East Coast. And I know they do have one here in the Atlanta area. So BJ's Wholesale was up also today, 1.82%. GM, we talked about earlier, was making a move. General Motors was making a move as well, and they were up 1.73% on the day. And then we had Ford as well, up 1.20% on the day. So it was a tough day for tech, but it was a great day for your oil and your banks and some EV stocks. They rallied today, GM, Ford, and Tesla. Tesla has great news, like I said, on cars being produced, and it looks like they're gonna have a great earnings call at the end of the month. So this was my review for the day. Again, GBTC was my winning stock fund. GBTC, this is the Grayscale Bitcoin Fund. They were up over 5.2% on the day. Again, I want to thank you for watching. Thanks for listening. Please like, share, and leave your comments below. Don't forget, if you want some free stock, you can sign up for Webull or Robinhood. I have the links below. Thank you.